A dog and cook, who were the best of friends, wished very much to see something of the world. So they decided to leave the field to the set out into the world along the road then led to the wood. The two comrades travelled along in the very best of spirits and without meeting any adventure to speak out. At nightfall, the cook, looking for a place to roost as was his custom, spied nearby a hollow tree that he thought would to be very nicely for a nightly lodging. The dog could creep inside, and the cook would fly up on one of the branches. So sad, sudden, and both spelt very comfortably. With the first glimmer of dawn, the cook awoke from the moment he forgot just where he was. He thought he was still in the field where it has been his duty to arouse his household as daybreak. So, standing on tiptoes, he flapped his wing and tried lustily, but instead of awakening the farmer, he awakened a fox not far off in the wood. The fox immediately, as rosy wagon of a delicious breakfast, hurrying to the tree where the cook was roasting, he said was politely, "I feel highly flattered, kind sir," replied the cook stylily. "If you will please go around to the door of my house at the foot of the tree, my porter will let you in. The hungry will but unsuspecting fox went around the tree as he told, and in was a twinkling the dog had sides, who try to deceive may expect to be paid in their own coin.